Namaskar friends, welcome to the channel Turning Point. I hope all of you are alright. I used to make videos of various AI tools and various kinds of journals which are Scopus indexed, Science Citation indexed and UGC care listed for your good publications in these journals. By the demand of viewers, today I am going to share with you various journals in the field of immunology and microbiology. All of these journals are Scopus indexed or Science Citation indexed. Apart from that, I have also discussed about their article processing charges along with review time. So without any further delay, let's start the video. But before that, I request you to please like, share and subscribe the channel because it really motivates me to create more useful videos for you. The first journal that I would like to tell you is Gastrointestinal Disorders. Gastrointestinal Disorders is an international open access peer reviewed journal on gastroenterology, published quarterly online by MDPI. These are various attributes of this journal. It is having high visibility as it is indexed in Scopus, ESCI, that is Web of Science, FSTA, and other databases. You can see the site score and impact factor of the journal from here. Its impact factor is 0.9 and its site score is 1.5. Rapid publication. Manuscripts are peer-reviewed and a first decision is provided to authors approximately 18 days after submission. So you can see that its review time is very less and it gives its first decision within 18 days. Acceptance to publication is undertaken in 4.7 days. Median values for papers published in this journal in the second half of 2024. And it is having reliable service, rigorous peer review and professional production. So this is one of the significant journals in the field of microbiology. All of the journals that I'm going to tell you in this video are Scopus indexed and Web of Science indexed. Moreover, some of them exhibit article processing charges. But if you specify your country or region where there is a fee waiver or there is a discount on article processing charges, then you can get that. The next journal that I would like to tell you is Frontiers in Bioscience Elite. Frontiers in Bioscience Elite is an international peer-reviewed open access journal of biological science. Apart from the broad scopes, FPE especially focuses on high-quality research articles and review papers in biotechnology, applied microbiology, cellular and molecular biology. This journal is a member of Committee on Publication Ethics. It is having better service and high visibility. High visibility means it is indexed in Scopus, PubMed, DOAJ, Medline, SciFinder, and so on. That means it is indexed in many databases. Your research will go through a fair, transparent, and constructive peer review process. So, Frontiers in Bioscience Elite is also one of the major journals in the field of microbiology and molecular biology, along with biotechnology. Next journal I would like to tell you is Frontiers in Bioscience Scholar. Although the journal name looks similar, it is Frontiers in Bioscience Scholar, wherever the previous journal was Frontiers in Bioscience Elite. Frontiers in Bioscience Scholar is an international peer-reviewed open access journal for biology and basic medicine. FPS is devoted into biochemistry, molecular biology, biomedicine, genetics, and functional genomics, with particular strong emphasis on heredity, genetics, and gene functions in human and all model organisms. This journal is a member of COPE. So this is also indexed in Medline, Scopus, and other databases as the previous journal. So you can consider this journal if you are performing interdisciplinary research in medical field, which is covering these science streams like biochemistry, molecular biology, biomedicine, genetics, etc. Fourth journal that I would like to tell you is Frontiers in Cellular and Infection Microbiology. You can see here its impact factor is 4.6 and its site score is 7.9. So this is high quality Q1 journal in this field. If I click on About Us, then you can see here mission and values to see more description of this journal. Our mission is to make science open so that scientists can collaborate better and innovate faster to deliver the solution that enable healthy lives on a healthy planet. Next journal I would like to tell you is Frontiers in Immunology, and its impact factor is 5.7 and its site score is 9.8. If I click on About Journal, then I can see its mission and scope to check what kind of papers it publishes. It covers all of these topics like advances in biological drugs, immune system development and function, molecular basis of human immune disorders, novel approaches to diagnosis and treatment of immune disorders, precision medicine for immunological disorders, studies on animal and cellular models and in humans, studies on systems immunology with relevant experimental validation. So this is the mission and scope of this journal. You can consider this journal if your area of research fall in these topics. Next journal I would like to tell you is Fungal Biology and Biotechnology. Fungal Biology and Biotechnology is a peer-reviewed journal that publishes original scientific research and reviews covering all areas of fundamental and applied research which involve unicellular and multicellular fungi. This journal is part of PMC and part of Springer Nature. You can see other services or author instructions in this section, and you can check out previous papers from here. So this is also one of the major or significant journal in the field of microbiology. So these were 6 journals. You can consider them for publishing your paper in the field of sciences, life sciences and microbiology. If you need any help or support, then you can contact me, or you can also send comment underneath this video. Thank you friends. Thank you so much.